Friends, hi. If you are born on 9th, this reading is for you. Let's find out what tarot wants to guide for you for number 9. Taking out reading for your career. How you will do in your career front. Taking out one card for you. And this is Two of Wands in an upright position. This card shows that this is the card of two ways. You will get, multiple opportunities in your life. And we can say that in your career front, this is the card here we can see that the person is holding a globe in his hand, and here we can say that kar lo duniya mukthi mein. This is the card of Ambani's, and here we can say that yes, you are focused, but please don't be confused. Focus on one thing at a one time. If you will just try to complete multiple things in one time, the results will not be that much beneficial for you. So just be determined, and if you really want to take a step ahead, you just want to go somewhere else, and like this is the card that always shows some kind of a movement. Like if you want to open an office, if you want to change place, this is the right time, you can do that. And the further guidance for your career front, let us take out another card for number 9. This is Knight of Swords in an upright position. This card shows that you are full of confidence and you are an action oriented person, but sometimes with this card we can say that you are just quite confused that whether you will get the success or not. But please be action oriented, goal oriented. Make a plan first and make a strategy and then act upon that. This is going to be the 2 months from now, you will really see that you have achieved something if you will start taking actions now. So here we will just take out the guidance for your love life. So here we can see that it is like going better than before, but somewhere we can say that you should really go slowly in your love life. This is Four of Swords in a reverse position. This card shows that, and we will just take out the guidance for what should you do. And this is Seven of Cups in an upright position. So here we can say that you will be offered multiple choices from the universe, and the doors will open to you which remain closed for many people. So choose the best, be focused, and choose the best for yourself. And sometimes this can be you can be in some kind of a illusion that whether to choose this to not to choose that. So but if you will really be laser focused and you will really give your 100% on your work front, you will find of course you will really find everything you have desired for. So we will just take out the message from the miracle jar for you for number 9. Let's take out one. Let's see what universe wants to convey. And this is, it will be an exciting and passionate time for you, and this shows that it will be an exciting and passionate time for you. So this always shows that things will be wonderfully well and fine for you. Rest assured, have trust, have patience. Thank you so much number 9 for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay connected.